First impressions are made in seconds. Is your office saying what you want it to? At Choice Flowers, we transform corporate spaces into living reflections of your brand through weekly floral and plant ambiance. Our team delivers curated designs every week. No hassle, no follow-ups, just consistency and care. From reception desks to boardrooms, from meeting corners to CEO cabins, we help you create spaces that inspire. Trusted by top UAE brands, our corporate flower subscription is more than a service. It's your silent brand ambassador. Talk to our consultant today. Let your office speak your story beautifully